Hello everyone. Today in class 6 computer we will start HTML that we have started last time. Now we will learn HTML tags. HTML, that is hypertext markup language, is made using the tags. HTML is a tag based language and contains various elements, tags and attributes. It contains three things: tags, element and attributes. A tag is a text enclosed in an angle bracket. Like I have shown you in the example, HTML, there is a angle bracket before writing the HTML and after also. Each tag in HTML follows specific rules that is known as a syntax. Tags are not case sensitive. It means either you write down in small letter or capital letter, it will not affect. Like in last video, I have shown you this notepad file to HTML code. Here, this HTML head, title, head, body, these are the tags. This is known as a starting tag and this is known as a slash, then it is known as a closing tags. So these are the tags we write down in HTML. HTML is totally tag based language. Now we will learn different types of tags, HTML elements in use in HTML. There are two kinds of elements is used: container element and empty element. The tag that contains both or include both on and off tags are called the container element. Like example, I have shown you the notepad. Here in this HTML, this is the starting tag and this is the closing tag. Head, starting tag and closing tag, that is on, this is off. Body same way, on and off. So these are the examples of container element or container tags. Now a tag is opened using angle bracket and closed using slash and angle bracket. Example of container element are HTML, head and body. Now next type of tag is empty tags. Empty element contain only on tag. They do not have off tag. These elements do not include any data in between. Like example, BR tag, that is used for break the line or to go to the new line, that we will learn afterwards. So these are the two kinds of tags in HTML. First one is a container tag that contains some data. It have a both tag, on tag and off tag. And empty tag, it doesn't contain any data, it have only on tag. Now we will learn some important tags that we are using in the HTML. First one is the HTML tag. This tag is used for marks the beginning of an HTML document. Its corresponding closing tag is placed at the end of the document. It tells the browser. HTML tag is used to tell the browser this is the HTML document. Then next is header tag. This is the first element contained inside the HTML. This is used for giving the information about the web page that will display on the top of the web page. And next one is the title. This tag is within the head tags. Whatever you write down in the title, that is going to display at the top of the web page. And last one is the body. This tag contains the contents of your document which get displayed on a web page in your browser. Now I will explain this all with the help of example. Now these are the HTML head body tags. Remember that whatever you write down inside you can write down anything here. If I write down here anything like first page, then this first is going to display on the web page. This is the inside the title. Like example, I will save it and run, save as a web page on the desktop, and you will write down here extension .html or .htm. And here if it is not working, you will write down all files and click on save. Yes. Now we'll open this web page or Now this is my web page. I will open it through the Firefox or Google Chrome. When I open it, click on it, yes. Now here, look at here first. This is your title. Whatever you write down inside the title, that is going to display it here. And this is your body, means whatever you write down content inside the body, that is going to display inside the web page. It is not necessary, compulsory only one line. If we write down more lines in a body, that is going to display it here. So remember, this is the title. Whatever you write down in title, that is going to display here. And body, this is the body of the tags. So these are some important tags like HTML head, title and body. Now we are going to learn some tags, heading tags, then paragraph tags, center tags, BR tags, etc. So we'll start with the heading tags. There are 6 different level of headings in HTML. You can give it by H1 to H6. Remember, the heading H1 is a display the tags in the largest size, and H6 heading side display the tags in the smallest size. So if you want to give the different kind of headings, there are 6 levels that can be utilized using the tags H1 to H6. Like I will give the examples and show to you how to do this. Now this is the heading level. HTML we have to write down. Remember that in any HTML document, this is compulsory. HTML write down head, title, like heading I have given, so it will display the heading. Then inside the body, H1, this is the first heading level first, H2 second heading level second, H3 third, H4 fourth, H5 5, H6 6. Remember that here first, second, third, fourth, sixth is written. You can write down any title inside this. Remember that only tags or elements you have to write down as it is. No change. Don't give the space also here. Otherwise it will give the error. You write down smaller sign, less than sign, then write down H1 and then close. After that, if you want to give the space, you can give it. Not here. This is H6. Here, if you want to give the space, you can give it. It will not affect the program, but don't give the space inside the tag. Now I will save it and run this. You write down in your copy, save, and I will show you it is saved on the desktop. So this is my web page. I will open it with the Firefox or Google Chrome, or you can use Internet Explorer. In your computer, if it is something is not working, it is not opening, then you can use Internet Explorer. That is the best version. So open with the Firefox. When you open this, you look at the heading. Here I have written inside the title heading, so it is display heading. Then these are the different kind of titles. See that first is the largest and 6 is the smallest. So these are the different kind of headings you can utilize in the HTML. So this is all for today's video. In next time we will learn more tags that is used in the HTML document. Thank you.